eya usuban na do be ko Allah ana na wagimi sa wo bia Muhammad oba do kuta Quran Muhammad oba asase so kuta ye wo do kuta Quran eye nipa no asem ene ya
yesa abo ne dia ja kwa ye nya na kwa busua ka bi e ko obedo tailor e de no ho aba trend ni mu ama manfo e hu ni wie mu esa akroma ni nyina after so order kumase for na san the say obebo kumase no oba obi antimi kire ne hwe se bebe bia nu kumase eduro bia nka dem say so kan ye no asanfo no ebu afu pa yi ama omu eso abege kan sem e ya chese na sumdwe pa de say sumdwe ke de onya sumdwe pa de onu anka se na etwa ne ho asu e wo onu anka se na kurom Ghana na fesu kremofo no so no abeka nsem bi atre Kevin Taylor efa ni video bi obedi wo matem na fe na video no e trendy omohu na omuboso afu pa yi ayi Penyah block media meso say ni di mo obe like video no and ma subscribe button the sub click notification icon for latest updates na better wa dwen ama me e wo comment section meso so baso no a video for so enya bi ahwe obe ka Kevin Taylor ko ye interview oh radio good e waka say obe ba kuma say wa be chale na yewura say to the second kinsuru mo was asubis o wa be chia na obi antimi nya hwe be bia no kuma say munya obi basa obi ai wo de no be botu obe botributu obi anya kala kuma say ala say Emma ade tie ye no opana e make post e won Facebook e ga say ade tie obe kuma say that was Monday. Ade Tuesday anapa be 8 no they can tell make post no actually say touchdown in Kumasi me was say na opana e wo tamale yes wo suro o ira na chi just say o to amanfo na adwuna say bia amanfo anim na say o wo tamale no na so mu ehun say ha say akọ tamale say okọ eye format osuro wonya be ma osuro Kevin Taylor suro ni na kwa say wonya be ma osuro be already o wo tamale why do you fake it say wo Kumasi osuro meaning say on person amanfo be hu ni real location say bia na omuntimi attack no on kire bia wo osuro what say osuro ama Kevin Taylor post e ba ye no amara sako be gigiro be defend Kevin Taylor den say obetuma be Kumasi no ba kura na PZ fo no any Kevin Taylor be twa picture e man say na amara sako e kan ye no amanfo be clash with amara sako so they say o ye be ma kika nkwase ade Kevin Taylor be Kumasi e ne nemla ne be hwade o de ne nemla keke ne be hwade
mo amugu app usu a mo kasa mugu amanfo comment section ase a mo trotro nkwase asem se Kevin Taylor ebe Kumasi a obi antimi nye ne hwe no oba mo ne nemla mo mla meja no why am kan no na mo ne nemla obi antimi nye no to da mo meja ne kwan keke hey when man for no when you go you're not joking this time around with Jimmy about the Jimmy in tell be no he dare not a man adjumuda me say kem do bet mat say ntimi go jina kan hwede wu te kem do bet mat na matwam be be bia but Kevin Taylor never obetimi na esi so esi fom okwanye eti mo tell mo comment section at Asantehene na kan okro ne kire mo a mo tell mo comment section ase mo toton kwase asem say oba mo mra me gya kwan o de mo ne mra. Even John Dramani Mahama. Oh no, what do you mind so that no president in Puno? Or be Kumasi format to tune for the Bruno. Kevin Taylor come shit so. A man is shit so good so. Now boys ne shina soon. Na go the national security no mudina chino. Come to come nya man that time no. Hey, o mu bibi da o. Asantehene Broni kroma bu na kunu. Na wo Kevin Taylor. Asantehene Broni mpo. O man na kona bu na kunu. Na wo Kevin Taylor. He dare not. When Jimmy no omu obia owiase a on for the Jimmy and na dibuo na omu no on for nye the drama and this over the Jimmy trying baby yen Asantehene ye buye ho ye buye say to tunyam kesi bon dia na buye mu asana pia o on for the Jimmy and try the Jimmy console yen ya greni abre Kevin Taylor nye the size no obia Kumasi ase kwase ampani obia o ti America why say ye madien ne ho talent bi e o ti abuchi
na bi so abeka nsem a kire Kevin Taylor
abranti ya odam suru hoyi ade a efere ne sa asomdwe ehon be ye dian ma ne papa ade ntina me ka sa asem yi efiri se na asomdwe no ono ankasa ene de na asomdwe akekere ne ho ti ahota efere nsa ahoto ontumi nya bi wo ma we mu da na yakasa asomdwe a asomdwe nyi sika o ubetimi nya ne yese unya bia wa abrabom nanso ahotopa no unya oye enipa baako a ahotoni asomdwie wontumi nya bi wo ma wi mu da efise ne nsam ne dwumadie bi a wodie no kame yakoye se watietie nipa bebrebe na so na mibusa me ho se ana wo musa me ho se senye na aban ne wo so a empo ko betimi aba o ma wi mu ana ene na wankasa na ado asomdwie akyekere wo wo nsam bi a wo kan ya watietie nkrofo bebrebe na so wa ban kura wo so ni ene na wa ban ni so Abrante Kevin Taylor men ni amanyosem achi empritumi mfa ma obi ema wo odaachi asomdwie eho nkoye den emfa ma wo otumi a wo pra ma obi nti enehwe ona ma hwe abambofo ogbo ho ban saa no ma we nyina no bibusa Kevin Taylor se ebekoso a kosi dabai kamekwa akoye se ada wa ban be free power no eyise o free o man mu enti sika amani pa ye honto obi ni bi pat na som dwono otimi ko ba bi a ope bia Abrante a wasisu a wo bo obra obi mpani ni enti wano atietia wo bia enkurudi nkran ha ne kura na awo no ene o party nim kura no wano atietia mpanimfo bebrebe enti wutuwei onkwa wontimi nam sade sabi mitimi nam akoba bia a mepe no atise ye bo ho ban ne ekokwa akosi dabai a ufiri woman Ghana nanso wom no wasom nyo aya amrante umuyahwe ya no kasa yie ewo ba bia ye keka yensem ko wadi tribe bia tem watietia tribe bebrebe anim ade omo anim atwitwiri fom emu ahemfo emu mpanimfo bia sabi ebi kura na ebi betimi awo wa nwene se wasomdwie ne wodaache ehu hia ba afa saa kwan so tietia nkrofo bebrebe fa hodi so to wasomdwie pa no ho be den sese wona mana usuro ogwa wontumi nante saa de na mibusa se ebekoso akosi da pai tisi ya de bi ne ya amanyosem a yenhwe ye na ya no ampa ana ya no antra so ankonko dumpempenso bi a wankasa wabrabo no wonsem ka no ebetwa wosu wo manya wo firi mu metwa video iso
Kevin Taylor kumase hu sem no it is not a joke. Abrante na okogina menhia ye video ka say Kevin Taylor ebo ne hu musio ewura menhia palace obekunu no. The guy is not alone. It those of you are more can say on me on your way no. It is better we advise him and calm him down. He is never alone. Watch this.
Ono kwada sunya so na dwene de okan no enya de say ye be preso da so Kevin Taylor so be krom ya so ba cha nana even say empanifo obi amuti enka mun kan kira no so mo isi kroma mun kan kira say mo isi kroma so ba cha otumfo because utimi ni achami atam na unza mata o ba cha me enya ye eti yesraw ye de asumdwe kwa so ani ya mausa kokobon kan sami tiana tiani ye wa banka ya ode ka ba bi ade ama no trawa ono yire no mama trawa unya ode sa ko obroche na ye ko ba santima ma die enye wa gele da so be wura se ura asantima empokra na kasa pese wo komensia ura ampo no komensia eti esaw ya ka wasu yai Asante wodom ya de ani ateta ho ya hweba bia wo be fa na wodi aba bisa ba wesra kwakia ya nana sa wo pa ya ka chirawo
ya ka chao Kevin Taylor ya ka chao efine ekro ya lu ni bibia efine ekro ya lu ni hwe mesia ya nyaw ayimfio ya nyaw bibia okoma asante odom ya ne ka
say the way susu be social media gimmicks there and there's a yankasa opinion leaders any security men I'm talking about the police, the military, a handful ministers ni MPs no on person o mtre say video way omu huye yo ya betwan ama obi adiewu obi adibone ansana ya investigation.
Now I understand the level of a president and the level of a king. So videos are na me ya me bo president di ma nanado now me who to me any like do a president me do ne here was your ma president who here now so me question is say Ghana high war as a Ghana me civilian no enti Kevin Taylor almost all your mind Mampani no kwasem adisunya bebrebe ma eniema so tete usua de adu akiri bia na se ubu ade by force anana se wo kan wano atom eniema bi wa wontumi nka na se eniema bi hye so Kevin Taylor ma wonya nipa nje obi o Kevin Taylor nye minister wonya MP wonya any appointees pia ya boni din akọ parliament amana adwuma o Ghana Kevin Taylor ko ba bia wo convoy Ghana soldiers, Ghana police, and a guidance require the taxpayers' money. And a trio or mocha, metiwe police in guide me, the soldier in guide me that Uko police station could travel reporter, Uchiesca. And some Bajina TV station almost say, O travel reporter in Chiesca, Ubelobia in Chiesca, please, Obi Ham, Kobo police woman, ya. Or Moka James a petrol car and say 2 petrol car and I met you 4 million, 400 cities. Many 400 cities in Nippon or the AM of an free. But yenya soldiers for bear more than 5, 6, 7 soldiers for the police bear 10 no more guide Kevin Taylor nkwa all because of say what ni TV station ni station so dinko for atem NDC what ni platform honum e the cancer mpa efa NDC ho and now our numbers and now a man for believe in him and now a man for tieno so you people know say any idea bia information bia mpesa mo pass bia no mo betumi pass it through Kevin Taylor and anything we want to say to Ghana for no we betumi catch say Kevin Taylor no obeka eti mo cherish Kevin Taylor more than year na yeto abama mo no election time where were him. You see, before a president to win a presidential candidate become a president, no, we hear 50 plus 1 vote or 1 vote to import man. But because what na media no so dinko for them can call for him and somehow working na no kore army and so mudi na motumi achi when na Kevin Taylor aka no asema ye no kore as civilians ni eni age say Kevin di no kore but mo as a politicians motumi take action achi obi na motumi take action afro obi kura ewo office da ebisi ye enso akwo we ba Ghana hanum say ya mo de convoy police ni soldiers for the guiding Captain Smart ti o man mu police ni soldiers na guiding obi nimness wo comment o comment section as say Kevin Taylor tuya police for the soldiers for the car and Captain Smart tuya Captain Smart pa on fa the forms and na say the people say kire say wo ko fa soldiers for the police for tuya car and sana o mudi na chi mo ba na ya so ya fa kosua na snap akonsua ma ko bom dua yenyim isisi no enjisa you become Shatawale Kai, and yet 2007 no because na kwawe wo friend na o kasa samo. Yeah, research. Now when so ba na men, and dia na on him fa o kasia kon, anya no bi ne kan. O ma kwan marketetia free fat TVs, radio station, TV station, no mu di dinko for them free. Ma Captain Smart kwan, no work can say hunu free. Kevin Taylor to one of can Jimmy Kevin Taylor there wa Jimmy che obia ono so kasa free na politicians boss anko fu we hu ban What na TV, what na TikTok na wo ka wa adwene, wo kire wa adwene a na ye threat wo. Na ye send nkwasia message efa comment section on the maun. Adai. Ye taxpayers money. Ye ntumi yusu bi na kwa brane akwotena ono na bro kire. Na ono na ake didi nkofo atemama mu because of so our numbers or followers. Now we are telling you people, Mr. President, me yusu bonkuma. Ade amoye no. Ade amoye a time will come. Me no men can't tell me say Ghana the mine econo we are getting close to a coup because coup d'etat a Ghana enemy of the most enemy of Ghana a coup d'etat Ghana mpe but the more come the more you know yene to soldiers form yene to police form yene to migration form the more you know next 5 to next 10 years to come someone hwe ya ade a Ghana yempesi ye bi hu no coup d'etat be so I'm telling you.
Na busa Kevin tell him say nkremfo wo di o matem pay. Next ma kan actually wo bi atwam no. Kremoni bi abaye pla Kevin tell you go to next ma oka.
Eya usuban na do be ko Allah. Ana wa jimi sa. Wo obi a Muhammad oba do kuta Quran. Muhammad oba asase do kuta ye wo do kuta Quran. Eye nipa no asem ene ya tworo ene kuta nipa. Eye nipa no asem enti asem na gidi book na kuta ndi obi atumi tworo. E de na ga kan wo ho no. Me kese Christopher the end no is din. How Jimmy Freeman.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My fellow brothers and sisters in Islam, I extend you the best of greetings. That is tahiyyatan min indillahi mubarakatan tayyiba. Tahiyyatan ali jannah la hiya assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Minuanum adofo mu tie mi emi se ene Muhammad Shukunukuno Ziaul Haq Abdul Karim on se my PA ne ya me baba ye video I reply Kevin Taylor or whatever he call himself for degrading Muslims, Prophet Muhammad and the Holy Quran. Before me share you know on se ebia si bibia e wona bakosem bibia wona bakosem se bi ebia so ko so oko Christosum ewo omo abakosem oko Judaism ewo omo abakosem oko Hinduism. Every single religion on this earth has his or her histories behind it. Nkrimosum no enye say ye fiti preko ene ebeye nkrimofo. It's not that we just sorry one day said yeah baby in for. No, we have proof, we have evidence from historians, from the Quran, from the Hadith. That's why we are Muslims. So what Jinya Unimyansa, you think you can sit in your basement and insult Islam? You think you can sit in your basement and insult the Holy Quran? You lie bad. Oba 10 times ebe can't any blasphemous words against Quran. We will come 100 times and reply you. What jinipa unimyansa? Uti basement. You are attacking politicians. Focus on that. And you are a frustrated blogger or journalist. Say in Kremosun and already by so. What jinipa? Uti basement mu eki kansema winim. You are an educated illiterate. If you don't know, you are an educated illiterate. Because anka before you come out and say anything against the Bible or the Quran, you will do your research. You call yourself a journalist. Say, since you started journalism, tell me what impact bring and what impact society. What impact has we impacted the society? What have you done to Ghana? What have you achieved as a blogger or journalist? Only insults. But I don't blame you. I blame the Muslims who follow you on your page. I blame the Muslims who follow you on your page in the name of political party. I blame them. I don't blame you. Now we are say, in some we are journalists and I some trainer. Before you come out to say any derogatory comment against anybody's religion, you should know, say, you have to do your own research. You should know, say, America everybody has a right, everybody has his own right to follow the religion of their choice. I choose to be a Muslim. I choose to follow the Holy Quran. What's your goddamn business? What's your business? You choose to follow NDC. That's your business. I choose to follow Islam. That's my business. I choose to use Quran as my ways of guidance. What's your beef? And yet, Jimisem, your level of hypocrisy, ever higher. What has Islam, Quran, got to do with your show now? We know. And yet, Jimisema, me catch you over 1,000, maybe 1,000. Okra oti ho a defending political party. You are sitting there under your basement, what do you call it, defending a political party. So you think we cannot defend Quran? Yes, because unim nyansa. You don't do research. Anka uye research anka ube unse Quran was not written. Quran no enye obi keke any odibaye. He said Quran is just a book which was written by somebody. What Jimmy? Go and learn the history behind Quran. Go and learn the history behind Bible. Even though the Bible has been tempered, but go and read the history behind the Bible. The Bible was revealed to Jesus Christ. We call it in Arabic, we call it Injil or Injila. And the Torah was revealed to Moses. And Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We have Sufi Ibrahim, which it was revealed to Prophet Abraham alayhi salam. We have the songs of David. David also has a book. That is the evidence to show. But if you say Obine Tnao Chroe, go and read the history of Prophet Muhammad. Go and read the history of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad cannot read, neither can he write. So Quran is a revelation.
Ubet ma chere wa adwene ama me e wo comment section. Penyah Block Media. Agra.